Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel. Hope you all are well and subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about one common problem, which is Windows.old folder problem. So first I like to show the problem. So if I go to my C drive, here you can see Windows.old folder and here is Windows folder. So first I like to talk about what is this Windows.old folder, and second I will talk about how you can fix this problem. So the Windows.old folder is not something new with Windows 10. This folder is created when you upgrade from one version of Windows to another. The Windows.old folder contains all the files and data from your previous Windows installation, so it's using up a huge amount of space. So if I like to show you my Windows.old folder properties, so here you can see the folder size is 33.3 gigs, which is huge amount, and the Windows folder size is 17.9 gigs, which is almost near 18 gigs, which is also a huge amount. So this one is my old Windows folder, and this one my new Windows folder after upgrade. So if I like to show, if I go to search option and search Windows update settings, here you can see Windows update settings. If I go to Windows update settings, then here you can see last check today 2:03 a.m. so last 2 a.m. I update my Windows, so that's why and Windows 10 my previous version go to update to new version, that's why this folder created. This is new version and this is older version. So basically this Windows.old folder, you can use it to restore your system to the old version of Windows if you do not like the new version. Essentially the Windows.old folder just contain the old Windows system. So now I like to show you how you can remove this Windows.old folder file from your C drive using a simple method and free your C drive space. So for this, go to your my computer and right click your C drive, then go to properties. So after that, click disk cleanup. So here you can see some option. Now you no need to check anything. So if I check this option download, so this contain 22 gigs. So if I check this option and hit OK, then my download all folders, here you can see some files and folders, all will be deleted. So make sure you uncheck your necessary folder from here. So okay, everything is okay. Now go to clean up system file. So this process will delete your Windows.old folder. It will take some time. So here you can see disk cleanup. It's calculating my C drive files and folders. So here you can see some files and folders. So I like to here you can see previous Windows installation. So this is 33.4 gigs this is huge amount of data. So just select this option and make sure you uncheck your essential folders so that this will not be deleted. So those folder will be deleted which you check only. So I like to delete this folder and recycle bin. Okay, it will empty my recycle bin. And at the top, okay, drivers, okay, and this folder, so Windows upgrade log file, okay, this one. So just check those folders which you want to delete. So here you can see total amount of disk space you gain. So 37.5 gigs, which is huge amount. So after select, then click OK. So before clicking OK, I repeat, just check those folders, files, logs which you want to delete. Make sure you uncheck those files and folders which you do not want to delete. So if I check this option, here you can see 22 gigs and hit OK, then all my downloaded files and folder here all will be deleted. So I uncheck this option, so then hit OK. Here you can see one warning. Are you sure you want to permanently delete those files? Okay, delete files. It will take some time because this is huge amount of data. So here you can see one warning. If you clean up the previous Windows installation or temporary installation file, you will no longer be able to restore the machine back to the previous version of Windows. Are you sure that you want to do this? So if I delete this Windows.old folder, then I am not able to restore my Windows to previous version. So I don't like to restore, so I am selecting yes. So it will take some time. So I speed up my video so that I can keep my video small. So here you can see it's complete. So I'm clicking OK. Now I like to show. Here you can see my C drive is now 64 gigs. If I go to this drive, here you can see the Windows.old folder is gone. So in this way you can delete your Windows.old folder and free your C drive space. So I hope you understand what is Windows.old folder and how you can delete this folder. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy. See you next video.